So what I got idea. So what I'll do is, so that I will take this bike, I'll show a section of this particular location in a larger picture, and I'll show the section zoomed out view, and I'll show what could have been done from the current design. Is that fine? In the bottom?
Correct. Yeah. So
okay.
also try to explain the scenarios. What could be the scenarios and what are the actual issues facing by user. So see, ultimately, what exactly you are trying to tell the as a designer, what exactly you are telling the portfolio viewer, that you have tried to come target all the scenarios of the user where exactly they are facing the pain, right? Yeah, these are the actual. Yeah, so unless and until if you're not going in deep down, they will not understand what is your actual skill sets, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Also, same thing with this one also. Whatever I have given as the solution, I have to represent it by a handwriting.
Also, you have given the solution in words. Okay, can you give the solution? See, as of now, you have just worked on problem statement. Okay, can you give the solution into it by sketching it out, or by adding some sort of material into it? It will be just written. Okay, with the sketch. Okay, if we can just add on some rubber or some sort of different material which will actually help the user to use it in a better way, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. All right. Then I'll go to the third question.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is a little bit of the work that I have done. One is on one vehicle. This is what I do at office, make UAVs. So I did this complete design, the complete aerodynamic design, as well as the CAD modeling part of it, the final digital mock-up of the vehicle. And I focused my work on the gimbal system, that's the payload that it is carrying. Because we have a mechanical tape electronics team, so they work on the electronics part. I worked on the conception, and what I did was that I tried to make this portable for usage in the field. So it is more like a 5-piece assembly, and the payload will already be integrated with an extra payload that comes in a carry box. So this is one of the works. Then the other one is what we had actually had to do at Pahal. So this is one of a helmet, where we can have modularized helmet, but easy to carry, because I carry my helmet and it's there everywhere. In my bag, it's always hanging from my bag. But what if I can keep it inside the bag? But this is some concept which is already there, not something new, but it is that's already there.
Correct.
Same
Okay.
the multi-purpose. Yeah.
Okay. So this is for everyone. So as soon as you are trying to give any sort of solution, try to put the design process into it. What was the problem statement that you took? Okay. What are the different use cases or parallel studies that you have done? Okay. So this is the final solution that you're showcasing, right?
Yeah.
So what was the problem statement? Okay, so problem statement could be your own words that you are talking about, right? So put that. Next, talk about how exactly the other helmets are actually giving you the problems in the real scenario, right? Then third point can be what are the different solution can be. This is the ultimate solution. What are the different ideas can be kept all together to solve, and then you can combine all together. Okay. So one can be collapsible. This is one. One can be foldable. One can be material based, which can actually just deform or something like that. And then out of combining all those things, you can talk about at last, oh, this is the final solution that I got, and then talk about the materials. So this will define your actually process. Okay, how you came onto the solution instead of just putting the solution. Are you getting my point? then
Okay,
only
got
you,
it.
then only you will be able to make the justification to the design.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so do that.
All right. Followed.
Yeah,
Followed. I'll update this one as per what you suggested.
and try to follow for everything, all the other design of yours.
Okay. Similar. This is something else. I just put this across. So I don't know whether it's good, but I wanted to show something else that I did during this this COVID period. No? Are you able to see the screen?
We can still see that watch.
Okay. Oh, 1 second. I'll again share.
Hmm. Yeah.
You're able to see this, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
basically, for the COVID situation, ventilators became a problem, and then they were looking at patients who are there in the recovery stage, not who are having the issue, but they are now in the recovering stage. And that time they would require fresh air, and the ventilators could be used for patients who are actually suffering. So at NIL, they asked if we could come up with a design. So I did come up with something like this. So this is basically the layout and the thing that is finalized as of today, and we have made a product of this. Complete. So the complete layout design I did, the complete casing design I made, got it printed and all, and have got this tested as of now. So is it okay to show this one also?
Yeah. But again, you need to put the scenario. You need to go about the design process. What were the problem statement? What exactly you took as a different ideas, and then you made it as a concept. Also, for all the projects that you have worked on, you need to show the some sort of ergonomics. So let's say this is the product, right? How the person is going to use this. So let's say this is the front area where exactly I can see some sort of interactive place. Okay,
Right.
how exactly that is? So you can take that into sketch, or you can just take isometric view and give some sort of hand where exactly you can actually explain how exactly the person is going to interact with this particular product ergonomically, right? Overall. Yeah.
Okay.
Apart from that, you can also talk about the what is the expanded view. What are the different areas? What are the different display area is for particular is especially for what are these knobs is going to work for. Are you getting it? So everything be explained, because they are not gonna understand unless and until if you're not explaining.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. One more I want to show.
Sure.
So this is basically a car class A surface modeling, Bugatti Veyron. So this is something that is done. So this is a class A surface model. I can show you the stress curves also if you like to have a look at it. Where is it? Yeah.
This is
can
radius.
see
No, SolidWorks.
this is SolidWorks, yeah.
Yeah.
So if you look at the zebra stripes and the stress points, you can see that the modeling is done smooth because the continuity between two surfaces.
And it shows the zebra this thing also. It's a aerodynamic. Yeah. I can clearly see.
Oh. So I was thinking, should I showcase this one also, because this is going towards.
Don't put everything in the portfolio. Keep it interview round. So you can add on there. So I had worked on these sort of design process and all, which I have already sent to you. But apart from that, I keep exploring this different sort of ideas, and I have worked on also some sort of ideas related to automotive. So which is this? You can showcase into you can take screenshot, or you can export the image of the model and try to make it again the design process into it, aerodynamic and all these things, and how exactly the entire surfaces is going to work into the real scenario while the car is running and everything, right? So ultimate goal is to display is all about ki what is your concept, what exactly you have worked on as an idea, right?
Right.
Yeah, try to push that
That,
upfront,
okay.
because as a designer we don't do anything else but we try to push our ideas into processes. How exactly you came up with the final solution is there can be multiple solution at one place, but how exactly you came up with that particular idea only after summarizing all the different sort of research and everything all together, right?
Okay. Oh, all right. I'll put that across in that way.
Sure.
Thank you.
And this is for everyone, guys. Try to follow the design process, because in masters they are not going to see your particular work also, but as soon as you will be able to narrate the story and tell the entire story in the form of design process, will be much more easier to understand, make them understand.
Okay.
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 Yeah.
Followed.
Roshan, can you stop your screen share if it's done?
Yeah, it's done now.
Okay, guys, so I think we have finished all. So what I wanted to tell, like Ayan was saying, for every project, put a design brief which will have your problem statement on whatever you are doing. Second will be your inspiration, where you put your research, or you had some pictures, or you talk to few people, something like you will have to add your research. Third will be your ideation. You should have at least 3 to 4 scenarios or sketches out of which you chose your final thing, and then put your final design. So try to incorporate these things and add your learning, all these things to it. Ayan, do you want to conclude it?
Yeah, so guys, as Rimjim ma'am and I have added previously, try not to just come to the final thing, because see, there are many artists who actually does all the work by putting some sort of logic, but by putting the logic you need to show the process. Designer doesn't just chuma works, they work on the logical concept, and those logical concept comes after some sort of process, after understanding about the user, understanding about the scenario, understanding about all the pain point of the user, right? We don't design anything for ourselves, but we are designing something for the mass. Okay. Try to understand each and everyone's context, get into their shoes, try how exactly if you are in their problem, how exactly you can find multiple sort of ideas, and try to sketch it out those ideas, and then find the try to empathize with that ideas and merge it. By merging means if you have, let's say, this is the product, so I can also video call, right? So video calling is one idea, calling is one idea, talking on text is another idea. So how exactly these three ideas came together and made as a one concept, and that's how we have a simple smartphones, right?
Right.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Guys, so if you have any questions, please post it on the group. I request Ayan also, if you have your portfolio works or design processes, you can post them as reference. I'll do the same too. And try to look into Behance, how other people are working. Look at the portfolios and try to document as soon as you get. You should utilize this time which has been offered to you and make good use of it.
I know.
So please, thank you, Ayan, for being here with us, and thank you so much, everyone. We'll meet soon, okay? In 3-4 days, I'll put again a session. Just try to finish more work and projects that we can review. Okay, guys? Janvi, Sandra, Roshan, okay?
Yeah, great.
Okay.
Thank you, Ayan sir.
Okay.
Thank you, Krishna. And
Thank you so much.
one more last
Thank you. Bye bye everyone. Bye.
Good work, yeah.
One last point, guys. Don't restrict yourself. You are not at the stage of spoon feeding. Try to complete your level, try to achieve something within one day, or do something productive, so that you can at least give some sort of satisfaction that you have done some sort of productive in particular day. So don't feel someone is going to do the spoon feeding for you and everything. As much feedback I have given, try to work on, and try to even work more than that.
Okay. Bye guys. Thank you. You can rewatch this video on our Ignite India YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, please post it on the group for us. We would like to review it at any time. Okay. Thank you. Bye. I'm ending the session here.
Thank you guys. All the best. And
Thank you. Bye.